7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Hello guys, this is your girl again, Sasimi Yoruba Hilda. Today I'm back again to make a DIY tutorial on how to install a 360 degrees. Well, before we get started, we'll need to make a cornrow. And what do we need to make a cornrow? We're going to need a brush, also this if you want them. We're going to need a scissors. We're going to need this, and we're going to need 2 pins to hold my hair. So, what am I going to do first? I'll need to comb my hair. So I'm going to start by making a straight line in the middle of my head, just like I'm doing. And I will start with this section and let her finish the other one. Now I'm gonna take a little piece of my hair extension and I'm gonna add it to my hair to make the hair look stronger. I mean the cornrows. If you want the stronger cornrows, you're definitely gonna need a hair extension. So these cornrows are not going to be like perfect because I'm doing it myself and I won't be able to see the back of my head, so I will just go by my instinct. I prefer not to look into the mirror because it's a little bit confusing, so I'm just gonna go by my instinct. I'm going to make a weave at the nape of my neck. This is to create a strong hold on the 360 when I sew it down, and also on the side of my temple I'm going to make 2 on one side and the other side.
guys, it's time to install the hair. I purchased my hair from Valencia Rose Hair, which I had them help me bleach and dye the 360 lace frontal knot. I have a separate tutorial for that. The lace frontal came plucked, but I decided to pluck a little bit more because I wanted it to fit my edges. So I'm going to be using a 16 inches silk 360 frontal of Brazilian deep wave. Also, I purchased the matching 2 bundles of 20 inches. I'm going to put all the information in the description box below. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I had a great time and enjoyed myself. I hope you guys gonna enjoy it and learn 2 or more things from it. Thanks for watching. See you next on my video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like as well. Love you all.